So this video is for every Instagram users. I mean, after watching this video, every Instagrammer should use this method to boost his or her experience. So without wasting any more time, what's up guys, it's an FA here and let's get right into the video. So getting started, the first app we got in our list is inshot, which is a powerful video maker and it's incredibly very easy to use. Well, with this app, you can make your Instagram stories look stand out. So let's see, for Instagram stories, your video needs to be around 15 seconds or moreover 30 seconds because now it automatically splits videos. So over here, you can take the help of inshot, which is great for cutting, trimming and splitting a long video into small video clips. Also, the blur tool in it helps you blur background for your videos and photos. But I won't recommend you to edit photos through this app because there are many photo editing apps on Play Store which gives great result than this. So as I said earlier, it's just a powerful video maker, that's it. Okay, now with this app, you can easily add music, texts and stickers as well on your videos. Not only that, even there's also fast or slow motion feature which is super fun to use. And you will get a lot more features in this particular app which I can show you right now, but you can try it out by your own. So make sure that whenever you post a video in stories or it's just a feed, you run by a video through this app. Next is Insta Captions. And again, I guess by the name itself, you might get to know about this application. Am I right? Yeah, so with this app, you can give good captions to your post. So getting into it, you will get to see the captions aligned in category wise like attitude, biker, clever, cool, inspirational, love, party, savage, etc. So there are more than 1000 plus captions mentioned in this app through which you can simply choose the best suitable quotes and can caption your post. Well, doing so is also very simple. Just long press on any caption to copy it to the clipboard and you're done. Hey, I know how hard it is to find the best captions for your post, but with this app, you can make it very simple. Also can save your precious time. So, isn't it cool? Link is in the description to check this out as well. Okay, now moving on, the next trick is about adding animated text to your stories. So if you're posting a story on Instagram, then the default option gives you like to add some text, and now there's even a GIF option too, right? But how it would be if you add some animated text? It'll be a bit cooler, right? So that's why the Have Text can help you. It lets you to add well-designed animated text layouts on your photos as well as on your videos. So simply, you can use this app to add beautiful captions on your feed or stories, add some unique anime text to make it stand out, and everything else looks so stunning. So just give it a try, and I hope you can understand its functions right by its simple interface. So simply go ahead and give this a try. Well, the next application is GBox Toolkit for Instagram. Yeah, and it has multiple tools to help you level up your social game. So this app has included features which many people didn't even know that they exist, and so it can do several things for you. Like it has got the 9 grid feature, HD DP viewer, with which you can view anyone's DP just by typing their names. Can you get me? And no crop post, repost, make your pic glitchy. Even there are many variations in glitchy, so if you're creative enough, then just give your precious time to try each one of those to make your stories or feed look awesome. Well, I think you don't require any further explanation for this app because simply by the name itself you can identify those features about what it can do. But the best feature, or to be honest, the interesting feature of this all are the HDDP viewer and the color names, which not to mention is only just for fun. Anyway, so I won't get any deeper into it. Overall, it's a very good application, and that too without any annoying ads. So the last app is going to be very useful, and that is about adding hashtags to the Instagram post. So we all know how important the hashtags are to boost up our post. But since it's time consuming, or let's say we can't add manually all the latest trending hashtags, right? So in this case, this auto hashtags app can help us. This app uses the smart computer algorithm to analyze the image and will provide us the best relevant tags for our post. Unlike other applications, even this app too has got very simple interface, so just give this a try and I guarantee that you will find it useful. Okay, so that is it guys for today's video. Hope you like this, and if so, then also do let me know by leaving a huge thumbs up. Well, it's D Androids, I'm Nefik, and I'm signing out.